Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school bus seats. First, let's prepare. You'll need a good socket wrench set, a pry bar, and safety glasses. Always park your bus on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Take a moment to identify all the bolts holding the seats down, both on the floor and along the side walls. This initial check saves time later. Now, let's tackle those fasteners. Select the correct size socket for your floor bolts and begin loosening them. Work systematically, ensuring you don't miss any. Some seats also have bolts attaching them to the bus's side wall or frame. These need to be removed too. Always double-check for any hidden clips or additional fasteners that might be less obvious. Once all the bolts are out, give the seat a gentle rock to confirm it's completely detached. School bus seats can be quite heavy, so it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you with lifting. Work together to carefully maneuver each seat out of the bus, being mindful of any sharp edges or potential obstacles in your path. With the seats successfully removed, it's time for cleanup. Thoroughly inspect the floor for any leftover bolt fragments or debris that could cause issues. Give the newly exposed floor area a good cleaning. Finally, consider patching the bolt holes. This prevents water from entering and creates a much smoother, more finished surface for your bus conversion project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.